So basically, I wanted to do what my shirt says. I don't know if you guys can read it. It says, I want abs, but I want peak some more. I want abs, but I want peak some more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my experience doing the 2-week shred challenge by Chloe Ting. With that being said, let's get started. First and foremost, I hope I'm saying her name right. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. It's not my intention. What I've seen is Chloe Ting, so I really don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I did her challenge. Disclaimer, I am not in the medical field. I did this because I wanted to. If you guys are willing to do this challenge, do it at your own risk. Speak with your doctor before you start and see what works for you guys, and of course, do modifications. Of course, I weighed myself before and after, and I also took some pictures. I did not video it. So the program I tried was the 2019 2-week shred challenge, and of course 2 weeks means 14 days. So Chloe Ting does 14 days. In those 14 days you have 2 rest days. The rest you have to keep doing all the workouts she has stated on her page. I will link it down below for you guys so you guys can go ahead and give it a little look to see if you guys want to do it or not. And again, it's on your ends, on your terms if you guys want to do it. Again, I'm just saying my opinion. So I decided to go on this fitness journey because of myself, of my health. If you guys want to do that, make sure that you're doing it on the right terms. So I went ahead and I followed every single workout, and I tried to record it for you guys as much as I could. And even if I forgot some, I went ahead and did the workout again to record some of it for you guys. So it's going to be jumping back and forth with some footage that I'm going to insert in right here.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late.
Along with this challenge, I started eating more clean. So for me, it started off as I don't believe in diets. That's the one thing that I've struggled constantly with my weight. Being a foodie, it didn't mix well into what I was doing with myself food-wise, and I had to make a change. So for me, my change is I had to eat more clean, and that's what I started to do along with this program. So yes, I ate clean, meaning no fatty foods, no high grease foods, and yes, if I wanted something, I ate it. I'm not gonna say, oh no, I didn't throughout this whole journey. No, if I ate something and I wanted to and I got it, of course. If I wanted a full bowl of ice cream, I wouldn't eat the full bowl. I would only eat like a scoop and a half or even 2 scoops, but not the full bucket that I used to eat. Let me tell you, it is a challenge. I went in not knowing what I was really going to be doing, and I thought, okay, I've done this before. So yes, I did the program. It was very challenging. Would I recommend this program? Yes, I would. Of course, you guys do not limit yourself just to be like, oh no, I'm gonna get in a diet. I personally don't believe in diets. I think that if you go on a diet or something that has the diet name, it's basically setting you up for failure. Also, if you guys are gonna do any of these workouts and you start feeling uncomfortable with the way you're doing something, modify it. Chloe has a thing that she modifies some of the workouts and she lets you know you can do this instead of what I'm doing here if it's too much for you. I also like that Chloe put some rest inside this workout so it wouldn't be like full-on working out. And I also like that the workouts are short, depending on which one you're doing or what challenge you're doing. But again, this is a 2-week shred challenge and I liked it. I have to say I liked it. It pushed my body more than I thought that I could handle, and I was able to do it. And it made me feel more strong. So I did lose 2 pounds on those 2-week shred challenge. I know it might not look like a lot for you guys, but it looked like a lot for me and it felt like a lot for me. I did the workouts no matter what. I did this challenge even when I was sick and on the days that I didn't even want to do anything, but I still did it. I pushed myself. So this challenge is something that you have to push yourself through it, even if you don't want to. If you set yourself to do this challenge, just complete it. Even on the days that you don't feel like it, even on the days that you're sick, trust me, I did that. I was super sick, I didn't want to. Other times I was very lazy, but I did it. Why? Because I set this myself. I was like, I'm gonna get onto this and I'm gonna do it, and I did. So like I said, I lost about 2 pounds. I'm going to try and insert my before and after pictures here. I'm sorry I couldn't record more of the things, but if you guys want to know a little bit more of the journey that I had doing the Chloe program, let me know. Is that it was very, very challenging for me. I had a hard time doing some of the exercises. Some of the workouts were really, really hard on me, but then day after day, they started getting better and I started getting better on them. So I wasn't able to do the 100s. Now I'm able to do the 100. And there's no shame if you start the program and then you quit. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying my opinion on what I did, and I did the full 2 weeks. Also, do not be discouraged if you don't lose weight or if you don't lose a lot of weight during this challenge. This challenge is there to set motion to your journey. So don't be discouraged. Also, if you don't lose a lot of weight or the weight that you wanted to lose, this program is set there for you to lose some weight during the 2 weeks. But of course, you're not going to lose about 10 pounds in 2 weeks. That's unrealistic and that's very unhealthy. You might lose between half a pound to 3 pounds. It depends on how hard you're doing this workout and how committed you are to it. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.